Today our letter is V. V, watcher. V, vase. V, violin. V, volcano. V, van. Watcher, vase, violin, volcano, van. Next letter is W. W, warm. W, water. W, wall. Watch. Window. Warm, water, wall, watch, window. Next letter is X. X for X-ray. X, xylophone. Box, fox. 6. These three letters in these use X. Box, fox, 6. Next letter is Y. Y, yak. Y, yum. Yogurt. Yard. Yolk. Yolk, yum, yogurt, yard, yolk. The last letter is Z. Its other name is Z. Z, zebra. Zigzag. Zucchini. Zoo. Zipper. Zebra, zigzag, zucchini, zoo, zipper. Bye bye.